how to use Gmail on really right now, so that is still to be really right here through the situation that is still to be right now, guys, through the thing that is still to be right now, guys, through what it can be really done on what it can be really going on with the progress. This is still to be really very good to make it satisfied with a very good moment that it can be really next time to make it dealing with that still to be right here through that progress on this moment, as you can understand and see. So what we can do is about be right here through that, as you can understand and see through this progress. And what we can do is about to go over here to know that using Gmail is about to go through boxes. You can start to um, go for managing your account and start to change any kind of personal things on your accounts, like data and privacy and security and password and email and everything that it should be needed. You can also connect your Facebook, or maybe you can change settings on your Gmail, as you can see. And that what we can see, but the important thing is about to also to be receiving emails, and also to get composing for the email, that it should be right here for the new Gmail, and that is really to be satisfied for making this kind of thing very important. And that is all about here to send email also. And I hope you see this video helpful through that.